When working on water well projects and plumbing projects, sometimes choosing the right fitting and fitting material can be a little bit tricky. So today we're going to break down some different fitting materials so you can make the best choice for your application. Hi, my name is Joel Anderson and I'm an e-commerce manager here at Merrill Manufacturing. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about fittings. When choosing the right fitting material, there's a couple things that you need to keep in mind. One is if the fitting is corrosion resistant, will it hold up to the elements and withstand the environment? Is it easy to install? Is it easy to maintain? And then also, the cost of the fitting. So today we're going to be going over some of those, different factors and, hoping you choose the right fitting for you. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about our stainless steel material. So this is a stainless steel elbow. And one of the big advantages of stainless steel is that it's very corrosive resistant, meaning that you can bury this underground and it works great for underground applications. It's going to last forever. It's durable and it's pretty much the gold standard when it comes to water well and plumbing. Obviously the cost is going to be a consideration. It is a little bit more costly than say other fittings, but it's sleek, easy to install, and it's going to last forever. So I highly recommend using a stainless steel material, especially if you're going to be burying something underground. Another material that I wanted to talk about today is going to be our no lead brass. And no lead brass is great because it's a little bit more malleable than stainless steel, and it's also very durable, and it's also a little bit more budget friendly than stainless steel, but it's going to have some of the same kind of characteristics in the sense that it's non-corrosive, it's great to bury, it's going to hold up over time, you're not going to have a lot of problems, just a little bit more user friendly and budget friendly. And it's also probably one of our top sellers, where stainless is going to be a tad bit more expensive. So this is a little bit of our galvanized steel. It'll hold up to the elements and you can use it outdoors. It's not going to be as good and hold up as well as say like a stainless steel or our heavy duty no lead brass, but it is a nice fitting, especially for the price. It's got a coated finish and it is a little bit more rugged. It's not quite as good as our stainless version, but for the value and depending upon your particular application, if you need something that's a little bit cheaper, more economical, can't go wrong with a galvanized fitting. So these are going to be our poly fittings. Poly fittings are pretty much short-term use kind of fittings. They're not going to last forever, but they are light, clean, efficient, cost-effective. It's a fitting that's not going to overcomplicate anything. It's kind of made for more short-term use, and for indoor use, not a bad fitting. So this is a PVC fitting. Obviously, PVC is a very common fitting. It's a low budget, indoor, rigid type of fitting. You pretty much see it everywhere. Sometimes you even see it outdoors. It's very popular. A lot of people use it for indoor plumbing and that kind of thing, but we do carry PVC, and it is a good fitting. So these are going to be our nylon fittings. These are strong, durable, they're chemical resistant, and they're going to be like a quiet performer. They are cost effective, and they're great for medium duty jobs. So nylon's a great performer, highly recommend. So this is one of our no lead bronze fittings. As you can see, it has kind of a reddish material to it, or a reddish tint to it. Bronze is great because it's going to stand up to like harsher environments. So marine grade, saltier environments, it's going to stand up to those conditions. It is a little bit more pricier than say like a brass. And brass has got a little bit more of a yellowish color to it. These, are going to last. Highly recommend our bronze fittings. They're going to be durable, they're easy to install, and they're going to last forever. So your yellow brass fittings, obviously they have this goldish, kind of yellowish tint to it. They're a great fitting. They're not going to stand up quite as well as bronze in marine grade environments where there's a lot of corrosion and salt in the air. But they are a medium grade fitting. They're used in a lot of standard plumbing projects. They are very durable. Brass is a great fitting. It's just doesn't last as long in those corrosive environments. So it kind of depends on your particular application. But if you're in a corrosive environment, I would, I probably wouldn't recommend a yellow brass like this. But as far as price goes, these are great. That's used by a lot of plumbing industries. So this is going to be one of our red brass fittings. It's really solid, durable, long lasting, great for like geothermal applications, things like that. It costs a little bit more than your standard yellow brass, but and obviously it's got a little bit more of a red finish as opposed to yellow brass. It's got more of a yellow finish. It's gonna last in harsh conditions. It is a little bit more expensive than yellow brass, but our red brass fittings are a nice fitting, a durable fitting, and you can't go wrong. Thanks for checking out our video on different fitting materials. We do have a free of charge fitting material guide in the link below. We're here to educate. We got 75 years of water well experience, and choosing the right fitting is important depending upon your particular project or application. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Like and subscribe.